that. We're at the Chevron. Look at that. They're illegally getting cigarettes. Ooh, you're not allowed to do that. You're illegally getting cigarettes. I'd rather have some Bud Light, though, but yeah, they're illegally getting cigarettes. That's more like it now. You're not allowed to do that, buddy. Store owner illegally getting cigs. Ah. Is this what the Indians do when they come to this country? No, I'm just kidding. Ah. Illegally getting cigs. Illegally getting Bud Light. No, that's not illegal. That's not. Why? Illegally getting cigs, man. You're not allowed to do that in this country. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Feel like I'm on a sting operation. Ooh, illegally getting cigs. It's not cool, man. It's not cool. Cool. Illegally getting cigarettes. At the icebox. Yeah, I'm bored, just waiting for my truck to fill up.